Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic way to press reset on your body and nourish your spine and your hips while you're sitting in a chair. So in case you're someone that finds yourself sitting in a chair for long periods at a time, you're gonna like this. Even if you don't sit in a chair for long periods at a time, you're gonna like this. All right, so first things first, you need a good, stable, solid chair. So one with wheels is not gonna do it, but the old Sunday school special here or a kitchen chair will work just fine. And those of you that went to Sunday school with chairs like these, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, you want a stable chair. And what we're gonna do is we're going to rotate in our chair, but we're going to allow our hips to rotate with us. So I'll show you what we're gonna do. You're gonna sit up tall, nice and tall on the edge of your chair, so we're not sitting back in the chair, but sitting up on the front. And you're gonna take your eyes and your head and start rotating around, but you're gonna let your hips come around with you, and you're gonna pivot on your foot, and you're gonna keep rotating, keep rotating, keep rotating, keep rotating. And as you might already see, this really rotates the spine, but it takes those hips, this back hip, into internal rotation, and it feels quite amazing. But we're also getting extension and internal rotation. And then we're gonna take the eyes and the head back this way, and we're gonna let that hip come back around. You can reposition your feet as you need to. You're gonna keep looking, 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 and you're gonna rotate as far as you comfortably can. While the eyes and the head are going this way, the spine's gonna rotate with you, and the hip is gonna internally rotate with you as you look. If you need help, you can put your hands on the back of the chair, and you can even get some more rotation in if you want to start to extend this arm. And then you can see, I can see my tripod. I can almost see you right now. But then I'm gonna take my eyes and my head and go back this way. I'm gonna rotate, 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 rotate. I'm gonna use some help this time. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. I can see the tripod again. And that's pretty much it. So as you rotate around, you're gonna let the hip follow, and you're gonna let the leg spiral, internally rotate in as you rotate. From the side, if it helps. Sometimes the viewers ask for different angles. So today, this week, you're getting a different angle. So I'm gonna rotate this way. I'm gonna look, 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 look. And if you want, you don't need to use the back of the chair, but if you want to and get some extra rotation in, you can start to straighten out this arm or even pull with this one. And this actually feels wonderful on the spine and this back hip. And then you're gonna come back around. If you wanna use your hands for extra rotation, you can push and pull. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. And that's pretty much it. Guys, this is a great way to nourish your spine and your hips while you're sitting in a chair. Even if you don't sit in a chair too often, you might want to take a seat and give this one a shot. Feels good on the spine, feels great on the hips. All right, guys, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.